Hi everyone, welcome to Scratch, a fun place where you can make your own stories, games, and animations. Let's take a quick look at the interface of Scratch. Over here on the top right, you see the stage. Stage is where your game or animation will play. You will see your characters here. Below that, you will see your sprite. Sprite is your character or your object. With this button, you can add in your sprite, you can search a sprite, you can paint a sprite, or you can also upload your sprite. From here, you can add backdrop. Backdrops are basically scenes in your animation. This area in the middle is the script area where you combine these blocks to have your animation play. Now, on the left side, you see that there are three tabs. One is code, costumes, and sounds. These help you customize your sprites or your animation. Now, in case you want to add more sounds to your sprites, you can use this button to add more sounds other than the default sounds. Here, you can change the costume of your sprite, you can personalize them as per your need. You can add in more costumes from here as well. Now, this is the most important block. Here, you find blocks which help you in making your game or your animation combine and put together. Once you are done with your code, you press this green flag to make your animation play. This button on the top right helps you move into the full screen mode. Now you know where everything is in Scratch and you're ready to start creating something amazing. Have fun and keep exploring.